Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about 16th problem from the exercise 2.2 of class 8. Let us observe the question. The perimeter of the school volleyball court is 177 feet and the length is twice the width. What are the dimensions of this volleyball court? Okay, so here we have given a perimeter of volleyball court of a school. Okay, that perimeter they have given us 177 feet, and we are asked to find out the dimensions of this volleyball court, but they have given the relation between this length and breadth of this volleyball court. As this volleyball court is in the shape of rectangle, and here they also mention that length is twice the width. Length is twice the width. That means if breadth is 40 feet, then length would be as 80 feet. So that means twice to it. So that's the reason if we know the length of that means if you know the measurement of breadth of this rectangle field or else volleyball court, then we can find out the length of it. So for that, that's the reason we need to assume that let breadth of court as a x feet, then length would be the twice of it. That means 2x. That means if it is x feet, then this will be the length would be the twice of this x. That means 2x feet. And what else they have mentioned? They mentioned that given that perimeter, okay, perimeter given as in 177 feet. So as it is in the rectangular shape, the perimeter of rectangle, we all know the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is of 2 of L plus B is equal to 177. In this 2 times of length is what 2x that we assumed, and the breadth we have assumed as an x, that is equals to 177. This is 2x plus x, 3x. So 2 into 3x gives you 177. From this, if I transpose this 2 into 3, that is of these are the multipliers. This multiplies if I transpose to other hand, it becomes a divisor. So x is equal to 177 by 2 into 3. Okay. Now this we need to simplify that. For that 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 2 left, 2 9s are 3 9s are 27. Then 59 by 2, x is equals to 59 by 2, that is of 29.5 feet. That means we got x value as a 29.5 feet. 29.5 feet. From this, if x is equal to 29.5 feet, that means width of this rectangle field or width of this volleyball court, that is equal to x is equals to 29.5 feet. Then length will be the twice of this, that means 2x, 2 times of 29.5, 2 times of 29.5, that is equals to 59 feet. So what are the dimensions of required volleyball court? Those are 59 feet of length, breadth is what 29.5 feet.